Yo, what's good, y'all? We back with another video. You already know we gotta start the day off with a cold start. It's only the best way. Alright, what's good, everybody? So I'm at the tent shop and rent shop. They do everything here. I had to get my first pair of tents taken off because I got it too soon before my inspection, and my inspection canceled like me having my tent, so I failed my inspection because of the tents. So I had to take them off. So now I'm back getting my tents back on, and we also at the rent shop. So they got some nice rims in here, some fancy rims, and they got like the whole package right here. The charger. So I don't know. I will order my rims online, but I see it nice. See, I'm simple. I take a 5-spoke all black. I'm real simple, nothing too fancy. All black rims. I don't even care what the name is for real, as long as it look nice. These are alright. I ain't real fancy in the chrome.
Never reported on the same story. There's no evidence they really even knew each other. I told you, good tip last box out, but we got to move fast. Somebody called in.
But a lot of my people that I know came here to get their tents and also get their wheels, so they recommended me this spot, so I'm gonna check it out. They got a lot of wheels here, a lot of good amounts. And these some big J's too. These some big rims, yo. I ain't even fake. Amy Muscle had these rims right here, if I'm not mistaken. If you watch the video, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Seems like I get some rims soon. You know, I'm still riding with the stock wheels and shit, so something different go add a little taste to it. I don't know. What y'all think about that copper color though? Copper on red. I might go home and edit some cars and see how that copper look. But nah, yeah, I'm a simple rim type of dude. I like simple rims, 5-spokes preferably. 7 is cool, as long as it's all black. I ain't really too fancy on my whole rim stuff. Huh? Joe? But I do like deep dish. If I had to prefer, I prefer deep dish wheels, 5-spoke, all black. I mean, I like a little color in my car. This is too much red though. I'd rather like they switch positions and be like a little bit of red, but that's how I like my rims. If y'all see any of my builds on like when I play the game, it's simple rims, nothing too fancy. I don't really know too much about rims either. I can't tell you who some of these people are, to be honest with you. But nah, yeah, definitely check out this spot if you in the Maryland area. It's called GNS Auto Tents. They sell rims and stuff here. They go take care of you, and yeah, they work out some good shit for you. All right, y'all. So we got my tents now. I only went with 20%. I didn't go with that dark. Far away, you can kind of see through it. Not too much. Nighttime, it pretty much be pitch black. But the tents are back on officially. That shit look official now. So now I just gotta get my wheels. Once I get my wheels together, we'll be back in action. So it's raining right now, so let me hurry up and get up out. I got some tent stuff on my car. And so we gotta wait 2 to 3 days before the final like cure the tents. So I'm gonna just get the rest of this stuff off my car. So yeah, we official now. So I'm sorry about the delay, but it's been raining all week. I was supposed to have a Hellcat do the dance video for y'all, but it's been raining a lot, so I've been busy trying to get some other stuff situated. And I got a big surprise coming soon. I'm waiting for the rain to stop, and I'm gonna reveal that to y'all. But yeah, stay tuned. And I gotta show you about this Dream Mopar. So I joined the car club as well. I'm gonna get a whole special video just for that on itself. But yeah, the tints are back on. Like I said, you can kind of see through them. It's not too dark. And I'm actually about to order some of these, the joints that go in the window. So I'm about to order them. And then yeah, we go get this conversion kit starting soon. We gotta get this bumper kit started, and we'll get the wheels started too. So stay tuned. If you haven't checked out my post, check out my post. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and all that fancy stuff. And yeah, stay updated. Still got some more tint paper on my car.